hello. Welcome to my first vlog with my NS400Z. And thanks for all your best wishes. And for those stupid idiots who are saying this some kind of collaboration and all, I know most of my true fans would never say that, true brothers would never say that. But for that guy also, it is purchased on EMI basis, not a gift from company. How I wish it was, but that is not the case. Okay, so now I bought this because I was not happy riding the FZ for day to day. Okay. On camera, baby, you gotta behave yourself. Even Pulsar is camera aware now. Once I told camera चालू है तो गाड़ी ऑन हो गई, तो इससे पहले थोड़ा सता रही थी. But anyway, Telugu vlog is done, and mileage you can see 28 kmpl. Now I'm riding it alongside the actual Dominar 400 on which this bike engine is based and the bike is based. Riding alongside me is my brother Gautam. But what is the best part about this? Unleash the beast. Just let it rev the hell out of this machine. Let it go. Set it free. And the bike comes alive. That's also 400 NS for you. I mean, this thing is an absolute firecracker, an absolute dynamite waiting to explode. Absolutely goes berserk in the higher RPMs. It's kind of okayish in the lower RPMs, but right from the mid-range to the top end is where it takes off, literally lifts off and wants to stay there all day long. Triple digit speeds are its home, not double digit. So that is something you need to bear in mind. Ride by wire, slipper clutch, riding modes, dual channel ABS, all this appears really good. But one thing you need, almost all of us, including me, overlooked was this bike gets 320mm disc but a 2-piston caliper, not a 4-piston caliper. Oh god, oh good god, what a bike, man. This thing is waiting to explode and waiting to absolutely set the tarmac on fire. Oh, what a bike. I'm loving every moment of ripping this apart. The perimeter frame is rock solid. Oh, doggy, please don't cross. Thank God it didn't. Oh, we have an entire family. But anyway, these are the scariest bits of highway riding. I don't know who's going to come out of where. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm loving this, man. And there is the bridge. Gotta go left. Now climb onto the bridge. Giving a signal to my co-rider that you're not supposed to go onto the bridge. Because that takes us somewhere else. We wanted a kind of sunset point. There we are. This is where we kind of shot the Tizer review. Lovely road, lovely intersection. Look at the landscape, look at the corner. Oh wow. You want to put your knee down. You want to put your knee down. Beautiful view. The sun is going to set in a while. We have the perfect weather. And riding alongside a biker brother who always stood by me, cares for me. makes you feel stronger, man. So the reason I have an FZ for daily use, but I'm not feeling happy riding that. Yes, it gives me stupendous mileage, 60 kmpl without a shadow of a doubt, very refined, लो मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट, बट मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है यार. तो अपने को क्या करना है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे गाड़ी निकाले तो मज़ा, वो फील आना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए 6R तो डेली नहीं निकाल सकते. So I said, okay, let's try and give the Pulsar a shot, because I have a very special place for Pulsar. It was with me during my first heartbreak. It was with me during the toughest times, times where I felt really low. 6 years it served me without any issue, and my friend still owns that blue Pulsar 180, which is unforgettable experience. And I'm hoping that this will stick around for long, as it is 2 साल का तो EMI लगे सो है, so 2 years I'm going to own it for sure. And then the best part about this, yeah, dot matrix display, everything is there. You have navigation, and you have okay, let's just stop here. Yeah, beautiful feels. You have navigation, you have Bluetooth connectivity, you have everything, hazard lights. So, and the exhaust note, beautiful exhaust note, lovely exhaust note. And I love the design also. Yes, I felt a little disappointed honestly when I looked at it first, कि ये क्या फ्रैंकनस्टाइन वाला डिज़ाइन बना दिया, N160 और 200 NS को मिक्सी में डाल के जूस बना दी थी डिज़ाइन. बट दिस इज़ अ डिज़ाइन दैट ग्रोज ऑन यू, स्पेशली द हेडलैम्प. माई वाइफ एंड माई डॉटर लव द हेडलैम्प. आई मीन दिस लाइटनिंग फ्लैश, DC कॉमिक्स वाला फ्लैश का जो साइन रहता है, इट हैज़ दैट लाइटनिंग एंड गोज विद द रेड अटायर और रेड suit that Flash wears. You have the beam perimeter frame. We don't get an aluminum string arm, but it's okay. It supports the chassis really well. Radial rear tire, but not radial front tire. ये पूरी चीज़ें हैं. थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ है, बिकॉज 2 लाख के अंदर 400 cc मिलना नामुमकिन है. सो दैट Bajaj have nailed the pricing. So तो कुछ पाना है तो कुछ खोना है. Like, look at the bits. My friend who's a superbike technician had a very close look at this. Gold anodized forks, 43mm USD forks, 320mm disc. Yeah, the only thing is that अपने को सिर्फ 2 piston caliper मिलता है. If only we had 4 piston caliper, it would have been better, but that's the way it is. Seats are very comfy. Display is okay. You have USB charging socket, again Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, everything is there. Tail section एकदम same 200 NSE है, including the license plate holder. But this rear rim can accommodate 150 section tire easily. दोस्त बोल रहा था even 160 it will fit, but I don't know. इसके बाद जब चेंज करेंगे तो 150 डाल देंगे. बट बॉय, इट इज़ फास्ट, इट इज़ पावरफुल, इट इज़ अ पावर हाउस, अ प्रॉपर पल्सर. अभी तसल्ली हो गई है, क्योंकि व्हेन आई फर्स्ट रोड एट लोनावला, वहाँ पे तो कर्वी रोड्स है, मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. देन व्हेन आई रोड ऑन द ट्रैक, दैट्स व्हेन आई फेल इन लव. भाई क्या एक्सप्लोसिव मशीन है, एकदम भयंकर, खतरनाक, नेक्स्ट लेवल. तो बस प्यार हो गया, इजहार हो गया, बुक कर दिया हमने और डिलीवरी भी ले ली. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्रॉपर पल्सर एक्सपीरियंस इन द अफोर्डेबल रेंज, लुक नो फर्दर. yes, it will do it all for you. Highway ride, as I told you, triple digit speeds are its forte. It feels at home, but other than that I'm not sure. Like in the lower RPMs it is okay. अभी तो नया है, so I'll give it the benefit of doubt. Engine is cutting off at lower RPM sometimes, so first is होने दो. You have mass centralization, you have underbelly exhaust, 373cc single, and 40 PS and 35 Newton meters torque, 6-speed gearbox, liquid cooled engine, everything is spot on. And I love the more you look at the headlamp, the more you fall in love, man. And even red, I was thinking of white when I first did the media ride, but when I saw the red color यहाँ पे अनलोड होने के बाद, तो फिट एंड फिनिश वो सब नेक्स्ट लेवल है. तो इसीलिए दिल आ गया पल्सर 400 पे, तो इमीडिएटली खरीद लिया. आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है, ब्लेसिंग्स है, ऊपर वाले का दुआ है मेन, एंड ब्लेसिंग्स है, आप लोगों का प्यार है. सो बस, सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट राइड with my NS 400, first long ride. बाकी पूरा तो चला रहे already, and we'll see as the time goes, more videos will follow.